You are not simply living in the world, you are resonating with it. In this video, we explore how your frequency shapes your reality and how you can consciously raise your vibration to attract the life you desire. 1. Everything is energy. At a quantum level, all matter is made of vibrating energy. Your body, your breath, your heartbeat, even your thoughts are all frequencies. Understanding this is the first step to reclaiming your power. 2. You are a frequency. You are a constant broadcaster. Your emotional and mental states emit signals into the field around you, and those signals magnetize experiences that resonate with your inner state. 3. Emotions as frequencies. High-frequency emotions like love, peace, and gratitude expand your field and open new possibilities. Low-frequency states like fear, shame, and anger close you off and limit your potential. 4. Beliefs shape frequency. Beliefs are habitual patterns of thought-emotion. They're stored in your subconscious and generate predictable energetic patterns that shape your behavior and outcomes. 5. Universe responds to frequency. The universe is not judging you, it's responding to you. What you are emotionally vibrating is what you are asking for, regardless of what your mouth is saying. 6. You resonate with the world. You don't just live in the world, you co-create it with your signal. Your frequency attracts experiences that reflect your state of consciousness. 7. Coherence is magnetic power. When mind, heart, and action align, you enter energetic coherence. This creates a strong and stable field that influences your reality like a tuning fork. 8. Tools to tune your frequency. Tools like the AFT, AmWand, and Pendants support energy cleansing and alignment. Nutrition, like DNA switch-on, fuels your cellular frequency. Gratitude, breathwork, and meditation elevate your tone. 9. Change your frequency, change your life. You are a vibrational being, a creator of your experience. When you shift your frequency, life has no choice but to reflect it. Explore how AFT-powered quantum tools can support your energetic journey and begin tuning your life to the highest frequency possible.